So I've had a fucking terrible day so far, and I figured I'd try out the GoPro, see what it's like. This is kind of more a POV situation. Oh yeah. All of this has to go. In here will be a radium cell, but yeah, I need to take this out. I need to take all of this out. So we've got filters, lift pump. We're not gonna need that. Get you in there. Did I just casually run into the... Yeah, dude, it's fine. I don't give a shit. We're just gonna go for it with these bad boys. Join us in here, but this is all removable in one piece as long as I remove this. So I don't know what the fuck is gonna happen, but I'm sure that there's gonna be fuel coming out at some point. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I did run it dry like I was supposed to. Sometimes I surprise myself. And then basically I just need to get these off.
Hey, yo!
There's some fuel. Excellent. That's what we like to see. Got fuel fingers now. I actually truly hate this car right now. I'm pretty sure this is -8. Let's check. That's an 8. That's a 10. That's an 8. Why is that a different size? Now what? I'm a full-time content creator. I don't have time for this shit. I got a kid. I got a wife. I got a piece of shit car that everyone fucking romanticizes. Really, they're all just crummy unless you spend $500,000 restoring them. And your boy does not. That's all of this out. For now, we've got fuel filter. We've got... Where's my bucket? Where's my fucking bucket? Should probably open those fuel filters and suss them out, but whatever. Now fucking everything's covered in fuel. Ugh. Wow! I'm pretty sure there's a nut on the back of this one. Yeah, so this is all gonna go to Mr. Steampunk. I do know his real name, but I'm not gonna throw it out on the internet. And then, yeah, we're at least in a good spot for when the actual radium stuff arrives. First long form video in a while. Pretty sure you can see this. First things first, we have the radium fuel cell sorted now. I just need to wire in the fuel level sender. We're using Radium's one for the FCSTX. All that is plumbed in, fuel's going, car runs again. Ripped it around a little bit, pretty happy with it. Ran out of fuel. Now for the not so fun part. As I mentioned previously, there's some wiring down here that basically is the license plate wiring. As you can see, we melted through it. So we got to take the exhaust off and then redo that wiring for the license plate lights. At some point, this pretty dodgy fix was done, but we're gonna take this apart. You can see where it kind of melted, and there's a nice little gash in there too. We're going to splice in here with brand new wiring. I figured I'd bring you with me. We've now routed it up behind the Porsche Heckle blend, and then you can see the new wires that I added, and then down and around the bumper shock. We have the fuel level sender wired in, and we have the license plate wiring all fixed up. I'm going to strap a GoPro to my head and see what it looks like. The field of view, hell yeah. So don't have my, so put that there, grab this. How does that look? That's sick. So the next thing is a drive to the gas station. Not tonight. So I'm actually going to end this video here. I'm going to edit it, get it out pretty quickly, but really happy with progress. Yeah, I really just need to put miles on it now and test these radiators for CSF, but now I'm pretty comfortable with where we're at. We've got to do a nut and bolt check. Still need to install the tail light lenses. That should come Wednesday. I think that's it. Hopefully everything is done for the 8th of August. Planning to drive this car on the 8th that morning and see kind of what tomfoolery we get up to.